Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Balang Unitarian jong Khasi ba Jaintia, hakakat santarek menta unailur arjakat pra, kala Rakhe ye Lyngkhuh Snem ke basis pak lai puai, ke Banlong ru ke jing Rakhe, ke bakerpang nakis Snem baladam. How new Snem kinong mani weiblay, nalor ba kila pendan buram ye kasnikha jong ke Balang, kin Rakhe ru ye ke jing dap, saus pak san pos Snem jong ke edek of Torda. Ke edek of Torda, tang bakadai ke an ke baningkong hakari sabngi, ke ban ai lai lut ye ke jing mani blay. Kedai ru ketenrai jong ke jing yasha niam haki Unitarian. Haka jing Rakhe ke belalong haka yemani jong ke Balang Unitarian hanong temai. Ke belalong haka katsan terik mentau nailor. Laidon rang ru menteri sarkar bakmi ye ketnat ki kam korbari ke jela u James Kongkal Sangma u belalong Kongsan. Ki wei de ki laidon lang haka ni kesni ki kentop ye u MLA ke ni katan u ba Charles Pongrom kinong yelam niam jong ki Balang bar ki kenhon niam ba per jong ke jela.
Unitarians are a spiritual community. We encourage you to think for yourself. We believe that everyone has the right to seek truth and meaning for themselves. Through one's own life experience, one's reflections upon it, one's intuitive understanding, and the prompting of one's own conscience. We believe that the best setting for this is a community which welcomes people for who they are, complete with their beliefs, doubts and questions. We are called religious liberals. Religious because we unite to celebrate and affirm the values that embrace and reflect a greater reality than self. Liberal we are because we claim no exclusive revelation or status for ourselves and because we afford respect and toleration to those who follow different paths of faith. We are called Unitarians because of our traditional insistence on divine unity, the oneness of God, and because we affirm the essential unity of humankind and of creation.
I think that it's very important that we as political leaders, we have a very, very busy life, and a life where I feel very ashamed to say this, but we don't really get time to really sit down, meditate, talk with God, and this is a great opportunity for me to be here in your presence in this celebration that is taking place today. And I think it's very important that political leaders must have more interaction with the church, because we have a mandate from the people. We are expected to bring about change, but then sometimes we do that, we sometimes forget our humanity in the process. So therefore I feel that this is something that should be a practice which should be more often, that the church and political leaders should come together, interact more, and I really look forward to this in the future. I, for one, have learned so much. It is so inspiring to be able to hear of the life that he led. Thank you so much, Dr. Sylvanus, for sharing all those things with us. And Dr. Sylvanus had also mentioned that why doesn't the government think of naming a road after him? And I can say this, that we have so many roads in our state, and we name them after kings, emperors, we name them after political leaders. Why not name our roads after such kind of people who have inspired and continue to inspire our people even till this date? And I think it's a great idea, and I would like to share with you, Doctor, that we are very seriously contemplating naming our roads in our state after our people. We have so many names that we are proud of, and and I think that Babu Hujom Kishore Singh really figures in that. So it would be a great privilege on the part of this government to take this matter and give him that recognition, although he doesn't need it, I believe, but from our part, a small gesture. I think it would be a very nice step.